So right here, guys, I'm actually about to go in and bleach the knots on my closure. And I'm just going to take some 40 volume developer and some BW2 powder. And then I'm just going to mix it up till I get a creamy consistency. Normally I would have a actual coloring brush, but I'm not at my home right now, so I have to use a spoon instead. But basically I'm just placing that on the knots, and I'm just going to leave it on for about 15 minutes until it becomes brown, because you want it to match, you know, the color of your scalp a little bit, but you want it to just seem a little bit more natural. So I am back after 15 minutes, and look, y'all, it's brown. You see it? It's like a lightish brown color. So yeah, I'm about to go in and I'm going to go ahead and shampoo and condition it. And the water is lukewarm. And I'm going in with some Head and Shoulders, just some shampoo I have at home. It really doesn't matter what you use, in my opinion. So that's what I'm going to use. Wash, 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 wash. You need to get all that bleach out of there, because you do not want that on your scalp. You do not want that on your hair. It's going to look powdery and it's just going to feel horrible. So after that, just go in with your blow dryer and just blow dry that piece until it's completely dry. Time to pluck, pluck, and pluck, y'all. So I'm wearing mine in the middle part, so I'm just gonna kindly take my comb and I'm gonna part it down the center, and then I'm gonna go ahead and separate the two sides. And then what you'll see me doing is taking out the excess hair that's in the parts with my little bitty tweezers. I got the wrong tweezers at the beauty supply store, but these worked a little bit. It just was kind of more challenging, I guess, than the normal tweezers, but it still did its job. So just pluck, pluck, pluck the unwanted hairs. And remember, you don't want your part to be too wide, but you don't want your part to be, you know, not natural enough. So here are the bundles, and here is the dome cap that I am using. It's a one size fit all dome cap, and I'm just kindly placing it on here. Y'all, please don't judge me. Yes, I am using the little safety wall pins, whatever you call them. I don't even know, but normally you will use the wig pins, but I really did not have any. Like I said, I am not at my house, so I just had to use what I had over here, and I'm threading up my needles now. And then right here, I'm going in and I'm placing that closure right there at the center, at the top of that dome cap where I want it to lay. So y'all, right now I'm about to start in that corner piece, and basically all I'm going to do is make my first knot. And after I make that first knot, I'm just going to continue sewing on one side, and then I'll switch to the next side to make sure that it's proportional and that it's laying flat. Okay y'all, so now it is officially time to start sewing in those bundles. And in the back, I am going to double weft them, meaning that I'm just going to take it across and then I'm going to flip it over. I'm not going to cut the wefts at all because I like it to be a little thicker in that nape area, and because I have 3 bundles and I want majority of the hair to fit. So I'm going to do it just like that. And right here, as you can see, I'm actually doing my first knot so that I know the track is secure at the top. And then from there, I'm just going to keep on going, and y'all going to see me doing a flip over, and I'm just going to keep on going. Right here, I know y'all can't actually see like exactly how I'm stitching at the top, but it's exactly the same thing I did at the bottom. And I'm just working the bundles all the way up until I get to that closure piece, because you want it to be really flat and real seamless. And the reason why I doubled the wefts at the top is because I wanted everything to fit, but normally I wouldn't. I would just single track it because you don't want it to be lumpy or bumpy. But the end of the wig, it didn't even turn out bad, so it was okay. So y'all, this is the last and final round, and I'm just pulling it right on top of that closure because you want it to blend seamlessly. So that's exactly what I'm doing, and then I'm going to cut the width. And I accidentally snipped off some hair. Don't do that. Be careful when cutting, but it all worked out anyway, so don't even mind that. So here guys, this is the beautiful raw Malaysian hair, and just look at the shine. It looks so pretty, and it's combing out. Don't mind it's a little, you know, tangly at the bottoms because I just been wrapping it and I haven't really been combing it. But look at those waves. Like, y'all have to go try this hair. Like, y'all really have to go purchase this. So y'all, now I'm about to go in with my raggedy hot comb, but it does work magic. And I'm just going to go in at the top of that closure, and I'm just going to flatten it out a little bit because you see how it's popping up? We don't want that. That is not cute. I don't know why some girls walk around with one side of their closure is like sticking up and the other half is flat. That looks a mess. So just take your nice little hot comb and just flatten the top of your closures. Okay, now take the wig off of the wig mannequin, and what you're going to do is shake it out to take all that styrofoam out of the wig cap. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take that cap, but you're not going to cut that closure piece. You're just going to cut the cap around only the closure piece. Do not cut any of the other black part of it, just only around the closure, because you do not want to see black up under that closure. It just will not look natural at all. So make sure that you cut it just like how I'm cutting it in this video. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go in at the top of the closure and you're going to cut the lace, because you do not want a flabby little lace hanging down on your forehead. So go ahead and cut the lace just like how I'm doing. Now the wig is finally complete, and here are some clips of me wearing the wig when I fully got made up. So this is how you transform into a bad bee. Let me know in the comments below how your wig turned out, and leave any ideas below. And I hope you guys loved this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.